Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on an Infiniti G35. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is cool. Disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent electrical shorts. Then, safely raise the front of your car using a jack and secure it with sturdy jack stands. This provides crucial access to the starter motor located beneath the vehicle. Next, you'll need to locate the starter motor. On many Infiniti G35 models, it's found on the passenger side, near the transmission bell housing. Depending on your specific setup, you might need to remove parts like the intake tube or a heat shield to gain clear access. Take your time and carefully unbolt any components that are in your way, keeping track of all fasteners. With the starter now accessible, it's time for removal. First, disconnect the main power wire and the smaller solenoid wire from the starter terminals. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wiring. Then, use the appropriate socket to unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the starter to the transmission. Once unbolted, carefully wiggle and pull the old starter free from its mounting point. Now for the installation of your new starter. Carefully slide the new starter into position, ensuring it aligns correctly with the mounting holes. Hand tighten the mounting bolts first, then torque them to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect the power and solenoid wires, making sure they are secure. Finally, lower your vehicle, reconnect the negative battery cable, and test your new starter. You should hear that satisfying engine crank.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.